what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head is me.
Alright, so today, me and my friend Jack-O-Lantern are
a little bit out of season, but I'm cool with that.
We are going into the depths of the jungle. Hopefully we're gonna take some dope pictures.
We don't even have a plan, honestly. We're just going back, checking it out. We'll see what happens.
We're hoping to get mauled by a bear or two.
Yeah, we're 3.
Ran over by a train. It's like so weird talking to a camera. I wish I could just like see all the faces of the people that are gonna watch the video. And then I could just talk to them.
There is a little ledge up here that I can do some stupid stuff on. If you wanna see something stupid. There's a dude in there, bro. Yo, tell me this does not look like a happy wine glass right here. Yes. He's like, whee!
Wow. What the heck is going on over here?
I don't know, honestly. There's something new every time, too.
And we're coming up on the tracks. And here we are.
I guess you could say, with regards to this video, we're right on track. Okay.
This is actually pretty cool though. And there's lots of symmetry with the tracks, obviously, and the bridge in the background. Now we just gotta find a spot to make something awesome.
So like what we have here is we have like a little bridge, and then this track eventually leads to like this kind of cabin thing. I don't even know if you want to go there.
I'm down.
The cabin's a little further than this. It's like
100 miles?
Yeah, about
150?
Yeah, it's a few like, you know, continents over actually.
All right, make a run for it.
Yeah, so like the bottom of my shoes, right? No grip, man, at all. So we'll see how this goes. It's just like a giant piece of soap on the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm kind of scared to do this, to be honest, but we'll see. Oh, shoot. Actually wasn't too bad.
All right, so we made it up here, but it's really dirty. As you can see,
Spider City.
As you can see, we have spiders and dingleberries and
lions,
peasants,
bears, jaguars up here. You said peasant?
Yeah. It's gonna be very sketch getting back down, but I don't know how you plan on getting down.
You know, I didn't think that far.
I was just gonna take some pictures of you while you try and get down, and hopefully they look cool.
Gotcha. That one was way cleaner. Okay, here we go.
Are you going down? Okay, you're going down like not butt on the ground. You're going down like Spider-Man. I don't even know how to do
I just got the wrong left. I guess we'll see.
Looks like it. I'm just gonna stay up here. I'm never coming down. On the rope. Also about to die. This is a terrible idea. But we're doing it. For the vlog. And we're at the end of the line here, folks. Should I just make a run for it?
Comment down below.
Yeah. Comment down below if I should make a run to the bottom. It's looking pretty deadly. I think we're good. Better just make a slide for it.
It's steeper than it looks, which is weird.
for yourself?
For myself, I don't know, but for you, that was impressive.
It's so clammy because my hands are like sweating. And this hand's just disgusting.
Got that nervous sweat going on.
Like I have the plague. The main thing is like losing camera gear. If I were to just like tumble down there, it wouldn't be that bad, but like having expensive gear in my hands.
Right, like if the camera were to drop or something, wouldn't that suck?
We made it out alive. No cameras were lost. For cheering me on, you get a free pocket knife. If you comment and like and subscribe and tell 50 of your lovers to watch this video and subscribe to my channel, you could win this pocket knife. I got it for $750 off the black market.
Oh snap.
It has a laser and my grandma's apple pie recipe. So I'm thinking another cool shot. Oh, actually, this is my drink. Even though I really don't feel like carrying this around anymore. I might just crush it and put it in my pocket, even though there's so much trash here. It just makes you want to litter, but also don't be a terrible person and litter. That was a terrible crush. But I was thinking a cool shot would be that like fake hanging shot that I was saying.
Oh yeah.
But like kind of getting the bridge in the background. So it's like I would darken like everything past the bridge, and then like so if you're like right here, fake hanging, but if the angle is like looking like if you fall that way you're gonna fall, and like this bridge adds some like darkness.
Oh yeah.
I don't know if you can see what I'm describing, but it's like I would make this like a pit that you could fall into. Okay. And then I would darken like all that bright stuff back there past the bridge.
Oh, gotcha.
If that makes sense.
Yeah, I think
it's hard to explain. It's not perfectly even, but is it illegal to walk on tracks?
I think it is.
It's not illegal, don't worry, guys.
Who knows?
We just got snuck up on by a train, just destroyed.
Snuck up on, yeah. Choo choo.
The ones that like haul coal and stuff.
Yeah. I didn't study my Thomas the Tank Engine as much as I should have. I don't know the different types, but I think it's like a cargo train or whatever. I don't know if any of you guys remember Diesel, right? Like the black one.
I feel like I remember that.
With like the super square face.
Yeah.
Dude, he was my favorite one just because I like thought he looked cool.
Diesel.
Not to mention
it just sounds like a beef castle.
Diesel!
Wow, that might be Diesel's turd right there. You can barely see it.
Yeah, I came out here yesterday, man.
You know what might be kind of dope is coming out here at nighttime and getting like long exposure shots of, well, I don't know what the stars would look like through here, like through the camera, but getting like the car lights going by with like stars in the sky. Like I feel like that'd be a pretty beast composition.
Dude, if you want to come back here at night, we definitely can. Rare metal alloy.
You can make a sword out of it.
Watch me take this out from the track and then just like when the train goes by, the whole thing just
it just like crashes into your house.
Let me put this back where I found it.
I'm just holding the camera on you because I'm tired of holding it with my right arm.
Oh, that's fine, man. Hello there.
Closer to my body.
As long as I don't break your lens, you know? Just like the intro of Shrek, right? It's like he looks in the mirror and it just shatters. So that's probably what's gonna happen if you focus on my face for too long.
I might have to edit that in.
Dude, I keep forgetting you can do that stuff too, man. You can just edit it, like things in whenever you want. Like this explosion right here. Woo! Is this your shoe right here?
Yeah, I lost this last time I came by. This is the cabin. So what are we looking at here?
I wish I could tell you.
Do you ever go in it? Have you ever gone in it?
Yeah, I don't hang around for too long. But
it looks pretty sketch.
It is, and there's like beehives and stuff, so it's a little but the sketchiest thing is, like last time I was here, there was a
eagle?
This massive bird, the ones that like eat dead stuff.
Vulture?
A vulture.
Yeah.
There's a massive vulture, like you'll see there's like a roof that's gone from the right half, and there was just a massive vulture sitting on the top part of that, just hanging around. Like it flew away, but just to another branch and then came back when we left. So I don't know what that means or why I just explained that, but it's just
it means we're gonna die. So I can definitely gonna fall through something here into a booby trap.
Do you think Amazon delivers to here?
If you work for Amazon, comment below. Would you deliver this? Subscribe if I fall through the floor and die.
It actually looks like there was a fire or something. If you look, like the door's burned. The dir is born.
Wow. It's probably like dead people in these holes.
Yeah, you're about to be 2 more.
Pretty sketch. Actually, it's not too bad in here. It looks kind of lively, even though.
I like what they've done with the place.
I imagine people have definitely got hurt and like stuck with like a nail or a piece of metal out here.
You think so?
Probably. Stung by some bees. Who knows?
Oh, true. No, do you see that deer right there?
Oh yeah.
A deer just
Wait, no.
frolicked through the field.
I did not see that. Thought I saw him on the edge of the woods, but never mind.
Bambi. It's Bambi. Bambi. She gone.
We should try and find it and ride it into the sunset. Diesel! We're done on the tracks here. I think we got like a couple of cool shots, not at the cabin, but just like of him hanging off of the tracks and looking like Spider-Man. So thank you to my lover boy.
I'm honored, man.
My one and only pride and joy, Jack-o'-lantern the third.
Likewise.
If you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and comment and tell me how you felt about the pictures and if they were cool looking or not. Because at this point I'm skeptical, but you know, by the time I edit the whole video, we'll see. We'll see if they actually look good.
This dude's stuff always looks bomb. I don't know what he's talking about. He's seriously so skilled, so give him a sub if you can.
He always just hates on my videos normally. He's just doing this for the camera.
The camera's on.
All right, bye.